What is an accountant? Have you ever pondered about it? Let's delve into this intriguing profession. An accountant is a trained professional who records business transactions on behalf of a company or organization, reports on company performance to management, and issues financial statements. They are the financial backbone of any organization, ensuring the accuracy and legality of all transactions. Accounting isn't just about number crunching, it's about solving complex problems and providing strategic insights for businesses. An accountant isn't necessarily a math genius, but they are certainly a creative problem solver who guides the financial path of an organization. On a typical day, an accountant's duties can vary widely. They may be preparing and examining financial records, ensuring that all information is accurate and up to date. But they might also be specializing in areas like forensic accounting or taxation, or focusing on specific aspects of a company's financial department. What remains constant, however, is their legal obligation to perform all their work honestly. So what exactly does an accountant do? Their most common tasks include recording and categorizing expenses, preparing financial reports, analyzing financial data, and recommending strategies to help the organization run efficiently. They conduct risk analysis evaluations, take care of tax returns, and ensure they are paid on time. They examine the accuracy of financial documents and their compliance with laws and regulations. They offer advice to organizations on cost reduction, revenue improvement, and profit boosting. They find and address any discrepancies in accounting, keep account books and systems up to date, work with external auditors, and record payments and disbursements. In essence, an accountant is a vital part of any organization. They are the financial stewards ensuring the accuracy of financial records, providing critical insights and guiding the financial strategy of the company. They are the financial guardians of an organization, and without them, a company would struggle to keep its financial house in order. So the next time you come across an accountant, remember they are not just number crunchers. They are creative problem solvers, strategic advisors, and the financial backbone of any organization. They are the unsung heroes of the business world. And that, my friends, is what an accountant is.